Hi there, it's Kirsten. Today's video is all about gluten-free tea sandwiches. I'm making 3 kinds of sandwiches and I'm still in some sort of shock because I haven't done them before. Unbelievable. They are so easy to prepare and taste really good. I'm starting with cucumber sandwiches. You need gluten-free toast, 1 cucumber, cream cheese and dill. Take 2 slices of toast and cut off the crusts. I know it probably sounds like a waste, but of course it looks a lot nicer, and we just kept the crust to use for something else later, so we didn't throw them away because that's a no-go. Then take the cucumber and cut crosswise into 4 equal pieces. You probably won't be needing the whole cucumber, but you can keep the rest in the fridge for later. Slice into thin pieces. Spread a thin layer of cream onto each slice and top with some cucumber and dill. I have to say, it tastes so fresh, and for me it's the dill that makes it so yummy. Cut the toast into triangles to make it look nice. How easy is that? Okay, let's move on to egg mayonnaise sandwiches. You will need 3 boiled eggs for that, mayonnaise, cress, salt and pepper. Peel the cooled eggs, cut in half and remove the yolk into a separate bowl and crush. Then add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Cut the egg whites and the cress. Add some salt and pepper and mix to a creamy consistency. Okay, maybe a bit more cress. Spread onto your toast and cut into triangles just like before. And it looks so mouth-watering, doesn't it? Now let's move on to my 3rd recipe, coronation chicken sandwich. You need cooked chicken breast, mild curry powder, some raisins, mango and apricot chutney, mayonnaise, coriander, some natural yogurt and salt and pepper. Chop the chicken breast and add some raisins. Then 2 tablespoons of white yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chutney, a bit of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, some salt and pepper, and coriander, of course. Oh, and I forgot the lemon. Add some lemon zest and juice. Mix it all together and it's perfect. Spread on your toast. Cut into triangles and enjoy. It's very tasty and it's easy to keep in the fridge for a couple of days if you don't eat it all straight away. It's what we did. See how easy that was? I will definitely make this more often now. And sandwiches. The sandwiches are great for enjoying at home, but also during lunch break at the office. I hope you like the recipes and I'll see you next week. Take care.